Hi everyone, Alex here, AMRC, with the gorgeous E-flite Micro B-2. Yeah, I'm holding it, but has the landing gear on. Don't worry, I'm not gonna hand launch. I'm not good at that, but I really enjoy flying this. I wish it had a longer flight time. I wish I could put the wheels, keep them on inside the box, but I'll check to see maybe there is enough room to cut out the foam in the box so I don't have to take them on and off each time. Otherwise, it's a great airplane. So let's get it in the air. Let's go. Okay, surfaces work. No cars. I love how well this thing taxis. Almost as good as the Twin Otter, the UMX one. And the sun shining on it. Hope it's gonna be visible. Wow, just that shape in the air. I love it. Absolutely love it. What a beautiful day. Had the first frost of the year this morning. It's really cold. But kind of lost sight of it there. Crow, go away, crow. But now the sun's shining. Almost no wind, so perfect time for flying. Just cruising around, half throttle. Wow, it's just so nice. I love this. Yeah, so bad news for me. Looks like they're fixing this road. They patched up the potholes. Some really big ones. I didn't mind because I know them by heart. Come here so often. Ooh, that's far away. And the end of the road to my right was unpaved. But they paved that. Also found out yesterday. So that's why probably there's going to be a lot more traffic around here. Hopefully not, but definitely need to pay attention. Without the potholes, cars are also driving a lot faster. See, there's one coming. I want to do fast pass, full throttle. Check my voltage. It's pretty low. This thing is pretty easy to lose sight of. What's my voltage? Ooh, 10.8. Yeah, that's another thing I don't like about this. And it eats up the batteries. Okay, let's try. Fast pass this way, and another car. Oh my god, see, that's what I was saying. Okay, let's save some juice. Throttle off. The lights pretty well. Ooh, too fast, too far. Okay, come on, girl. We can do this. Okay, that was bad. Look how good it turns. how well. Taxis like a champ. Wow, 11.2 volts. Not that bad, but I don't want to take my chances with this and crush it. Throttle cut on. Whew, what a rush flying this is. I absolutely love it. So, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, leave some great comments, like the video. If you enjoyed it, hope it's visible in the air. And don't forget to subscribe, I really appreciate it. And I'll see you next time. Bye!